Artificial intelligence (AI) engineering is implemented across various sectors, transforming traditional operations and enabling new capabilities. Here are some real-world examples of AI engineering applications. 1. Healthcare. AI engineering is leveraged in developing predictive analytics tools for patient care, automated diagnosis systems, and personalized medicine. 1. AI algorithms analyze medical images, predict disease progression, and recommend treatment plans tailored to individual patients. 2. Automotive. AI engineers develop autonomous driving systems in the automotive industry. 2. These systems use machine learning algorithms to interpret sensor data, allowing vehicles to make real-time decisions about navigation, obstacle avoidance, and safety protocols. 3. Finance. AI is used in algorithmic trading, where engineers design systems that can analyze large volumes of financial data to make automated trading decisions at speeds and volumes impossible for human traders. 3. AI is also applied in fraud detection, using pattern recognition to identify unusual transactions quickly and accurately. 4. Retail. In retail, AI engineering contributes to personalized shopping experiences by analyzing customer data to predict purchasing behaviors and recommend products. 4. Inventory management systems also use AI to forecast demand and optimize stock levels. 5. Manufacturing. AI-driven predictive maintenance systems are engineered to monitor equipment conditions through sensors. 5. These systems predict when machines will likely need maintenance, preventing costly downtime and extending the machinery's life. 6. Smart cities. AI engineering plays a vital role in smart city initiatives by optimizing traffic management systems, enhancing public safety through surveillance systems with real-time processing, and managing energy distribution more efficiently. 7. Agriculture. AI technologies help in precision farming, where engineers develop systems to monitor crop health, predict yields, and optimize resource use, water, fertilizer, based on data collected via sensors and drones.